Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share you a video that conveys the message how we prepare ourselves to reopen our optical retail store, to welcome again to our existing customer and the new customer as well, how we are going to disinfect our shop while the customer entry in the shop, and how we are going to dispense the sunglasses, frame, contact lens, keeping in the mind the viruses is going on everywhere, and to ensure the customer to keep the social distancing of at least 1.5 meter. So this video is going to be very beneficial for our general awareness, and hope you will like it. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start. Thank you.
Hey buddy! Bro, lockdown is done. Let's go out. Meet me at a spot? Go out? Okay, but let's avoid our spot as it's a crowded place. Meet me below my building. Bro, let's maintain social distancing.
Dude, I am not infected and I am your best buddy.
Yes, you are my best buddy. But how do you know I am not infected? Let's be cautious and follow the protocol. It's for everyone's safety. And where's your mask?
Lockdown is over. I don't need a mask.
Yes, you do. I know you would not be carrying one. I've got an extra one for you. Keep this. Wear it now.
Can we go now? I'm dying for that coffee.
Coffee can wait. We need to go to the optician first. My glasses need repair.
Is that safe?
Yes, it is. See this.
Hello sir, welcome to our store. How can we help you?
I need to make new spectacles. Can we have a look?
Yeah, right. How is this safer than going out?
Sir, allow me to explain. We sanitize the shop twice in a day. All the frames and sunglasses are disinfected. Every person working here is healthy and takes precautions. We all use the mask all the time. We also clean the eye testing equipment twice a day and make sure our transaction payments are cashless and via card machines. We request you to do the following. Please sanitize your hands on entering the store. Please keep safe distance between you and others. Give preference to senior citizens, pregnant women and the specially able. Please be patient and wait for your turn. Please try as few frames as possible, as all the frames will have to go under the elaborate disinfection process.
Oh, got it. Impressive.
You understand now?
Eye care is your essential need, and we are here to service you every time you need it.
You should get your spectacles fixed too. Guess then only you will be able to see the new Norma.
I got it, buddy. Now this is my new buddy. Just kidding, bro.